newspaper, newspaper, numbers, noodles, nest, night, nuts, nail polish. Namaste.
So thank you everyone. I have played the sound of letter N, that is Thank you. Namaste.
Very good, Akshita. So next we have Divya with us. Divya, please start. Yes, viewers, keep your comments on so that we can encourage the participants. So in the chat box, you can give feedbacks and you can encourage all the participants. So we have Divya with us now.
Ma'am, is my video visible?
Yes.
Okay.
Hello pals, my name is Divya Garg and today I am here with my presentation of letter P, which makes the sound P, P, P. I am Pinku Penguin and today with me I have Pinky Parrot and Peppa Pig. They love to say P, P, P. Now let's listen to a story. It was Peppa Pig's birthday and she wanted pet on her birthday, so she decided to get penguin for her birthday and she was very happy. Then Mama gave her some paints and she painted her picture. She ate pizza with her family and she got pink pig cake. So she puffed the candles. So which letter makes the sound P? Yes, letter P. So now let's paste pictures of objects starting with sound P on our letter P, like pigeon and pencil. Thank you.
Wonderful, wonderful. Beautifully narrated. So let's start with Satya now. And you can type your name for the next participant. You can type your name.
Shall I share the screen, ma'am?
Yes.
Good evening, everyone. Now I am going to tell a story. Are you ready to hear a story? Here, a boy named Peter, Peter, is celebrating his birthday with his friends. They are playing lot of games and now they are going to cut the cake. They started to puff out the candles. But it is a magic candle. It lighted again and again. So everyone in the birthday party started to puff out the candles like. No, now guess what's the letter we are going to? Sound. P. P sounds P, 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 P. Parrot. P. Parrot. P. Panda. P. Pencil. P. Penguin. P. Pig. P. Pizza. P. Pan. Then we can engage the child to identify the pictures with P sound. And also we can make them by doing activities like taking the things which starts with P sound around them. Thank you, ma'am.
Wonderful. Okay, Purnima, let's start. Let's start with Purnima. So, Purnima, welcome.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you share my presentation
Okay.
video?
Okay. Let me know which one is yours.
This one is mine.
Second one?
No. Yeah, this one.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Making lots of noise.
Yes.
Hear the airplane making lots of noise. Hello, children. My name is N, and I make the sound N. I'm searching for words beginning with N. Will you join with me? Nest. Nose. Night. Nurse.
Okay, wonderful. So next we have Shona with us. Shona, you want me to play the video for you?
Yes, ma'am, please, ma'am.
Okay.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about sound. One for night, one for nest, one for net, and for nurse, one for night. You hear the sound at the beginning. What is the word scent? Mint. And in the hand, you hear the sound in the middle. Now what's the action of sound? Hear the airplane. Hear the airplane. Hear the airplane. Making lots of noise. Thank you.
Okay, wonderful. So our next participant is, please type your name in the chat box. Hiral, are you ready? Okay. So we have Hiral with us.
Ma'am, if you can pin my screen.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm looking for something. Yes, I found it. I was looking for my pen. I was so busy whole day because my little girl, her name is Pinky, and her birthday is coming next. And she's given me a difficult task to do. She wants me to prepare her birthday party with her letter name. The sound, like letter sound of her name. That is P, P. P says P, P. So I was busy with thinking that how do I plan this? Can you help me out? Can you grab a pen? Oh yes, pen. Can you grab a pen and help me making a list out of it? So I think I can start. I can start with, yeah, I can start with serving juice. First, a pineapple juice to everybody. Yeah, a pineapple juice. Yes, I think that will work. Next, I need to do something more. Oh yes, I can have a game. I can have a game that begins with the sound P, Oh yes, pin the donkey's tail. There is it. Here it goes. See, there's a donkey, and the kids can pin the donkey's tail. Oh, that will be fun. I think she will like it. Next. What next? Yes, we need something for the party. We need some food for the party. Oh yeah, I have something. I think we can get pasta. We can make pasta for dinner. Yes. I think that is not enough. We need still something more. We can have a puppet show. Yes, puppet show. And who is there to help me out for puppet show? Check this out. It's Peppa Pig and family. There it goes. Where is my Peppa? Here she is. Peppa and family will help me out to entertain the little kids. Oh wait, the party is not yet over. What do I do next? The party is not yet over without this little pink cake. Now I want everybody to help me blow this candle out. If you don't have candles, what will you do? Just hold your finger right here and let's puff out the candles. Let's puff out the candles on the pink cake. Puff, 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 puff. Let's puff out the candles on the pink cake. Puff, puff, puff. Yep. And now let's see how do we blend these letters in the sound. Okay. There it goes. Ah. Pat. That is so easy. Yeah. See you. Thanks for helping me in preparing for my little girl's birthday party. And I hope you all come soon for it. That's it.
Okay, great. So next we have Payal with us.
Morning, everyone. Let's go to Peppa's birthday party, birthday bash. See, Mama, Papa, friends, family, everybody is gathered for his birthday. P, as in Peppa, P, as in pencil. Then Mama says, let's cut the birthday cake. So they cut the birthday cake. Then Mommy says, Peppa, take all your friends for snacks where Mama has made as in pasta, as in potatoes, as in pineapple, as in popcorn, as in pancakes, letter P. And Mama says, the return gifts are ready. And what has Mama given? Pencils. As in pencils. Bye, everyone.
Okay, well done. It was beautiful presentation and beautiful story. So now we have next with us Priya. Okay, wait. Shall I play for Hima first? Hima, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Please.
Okay.
Hello children, today we're going to learn letter N. The N sounds The N sounds The N sounds Every letter makes a sound. The N sounds Nest. Nest. Now nurse. Nurse. Nose. Touch your nose, everybody. Nose. Neck. Rub your neck. Neck. Rub your neck. Neck. Touch your nail. 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 The N sounds The N sounds Every letter makes a sound. The N sounds N sounds Nose. you. Hello.
Now, next I'm going to play. I'm just going with the sequence. Sheetal, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Hello everyone. Today I will tell you a story. Okay. One day a boy named Nula went on a tour with his grandfather. When he was in a park, then he listened a sound of what he saw in the sky, that an aeroplane was going. See, what is this? An aeroplane. An aeroplane was going through the sky, making a sound. Then he put his head like this and he became an aeroplane. See? Now, what sound he made? He made a sound for aeroplane. Aeroplane make a sound na. So this is nurse. Have you seen nurse? Where do you have seen nurse? In the hospital. Yes. Nurse. Okay. Now, can you tell me any one organ in my face to start with the sound? Tell me, what is this? Nose. Yes. Nose. Okay. And there are so many things around us. We start with sound.
Excellent. And now the next we have with us. Okay, we have done with all of these. Okay. Yeah.
Ma'am, I also sent a video.
Rani, are you?
But
Yeah, Sonal, I'll play that also. Rani, are you there? Rani, are you there?
Who's there with me? Panda. It's a panda. And today is Panda's birthday. And Papa have invited Panda's friend. Papa would, I will invite Panda's friend. And let's have fun. So Papa first, he ordered all the favorite fruits and things, whatever Panda loves. So what Panda loves? Panda loves to eat pineapple. Pineapple and papaya. Panda loves pineapple and papaya. And what else Papa had ordered? Papa had ordered popcorn. Popcorn and pizza. So children, Papa have ordered pineapple, pizza, popcorn and yummy papaya. So children, popcorns are popping. So come on, repeat with me. And let's blow the candle. So children, this is how letter P look like. And try to blow the candle. Bye.
Okay, well done. I'm just taking 1 minute break and we'll be right back. Don't leave the meeting, just 1 minute. Till then, you can all unmute and you can share your feedbacks.
Yes, actually, getting better day by day, everyone. I'm
Yes.
also learning a lot from you all.
Full of
Actually,
creativity.
all of
Tight
us are learning
competition.
from each other, I would say.
And during this lockdown time, this is very creative, very wonderful.
Ruchi, you want to give your presentation?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we have Aisha with us first. Let Aisha do. Aisha, I'm playing your video.
Yes, ma'am.
N for napkin. Napkin. N for newspaper. Newspaper. N for notebook. Notebook. N for nail cutter. Nail cutter. N for number 9. 9. N for numbers. Numbers. N for nail paints. Nail paints. N for necklace. Necklace. Thank you.
Okay. Well done, Aisha. Now we have Ruchi with us. Ruchi, you can start. And next, whose video I have to play, just let me know.
Shall I start?
Yes, Ruchi.
Hello everyone. My name is Peppa. I am Peppa the pig. You know what my favorite alphabet is? H, H. And my favorite color is pink. My favorite animal is panda. My favorite animal is penguin. Penguin. Pig. And you know what? Today is my birthday. And I'm going to invite you all on my pinky birthday. Look, what is here? A pink cake. And I would like you all to sing the birthday song. Come on, let's sing the birthday song. Puff out the candles on the pink cake. Puff, puff, puff out the candles on the pink cake. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, well done. Next, I'm going to play for Priya.
Yes, ma'am. Hello, kids. Can you circle the picture that starts with piano, paper, pizza, pig, engine, cat, and glass? Doesn't have sound of Huh. I have one more activity. Can you circle the word that starts with huh? 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 Can you say this tongue twister with me? Pinky's Papa picked a pink papaya to pickle. Pinky's Papa picked a pink papaya to pickle.
Okay, well done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, next.
Thank you, ma'am. Yeah, what tough combination. Yeah.
Okay, next we have Sonal.
I am naughty, let's nod our head 9 times. It's naughty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What does naughty see? Naughty sees a nightingale in the nest, and the nightingale is crying. What happened, nightingale? All my eggs are lost. But how will you find them? I have written M on them, and my babies say, Okay, let's find your eggs. Now, is this your egg? Yes, letter N is written, and my baby says, this is my egg. It's good, this is the nest. Is this your letter P?
Mute yourself.
रोटी बनाओ.
Shweta, please mute yourself.
Yeah?
Yes, letter M is written, and he says, this is my egg. Yes, Naughty, thank you, Naughty. I have got all my...
You should all please mute yourself. I'll play this video again.
I am naughty. Let's nod our head 9 times. It's naughty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What does naughty
nightingale in the nest, and the nightingale is crying. What happened, nightingale? All my eggs are lost. But how will you find them? I have written N on them, and my babies say, Okay, let's find your eggs. Now, is this your egg? Yes, letter N is written, and my baby says, this is my egg. Look at it, is this your egg? Letter T is written, and how does it say? So this is not my egg. Is this your egg? Yes, letter N is written, and yes, this is my egg. Yes, Noddy. Thank you, Noddy. I have got all my.
Okay, no doubt it was a very unique concept, Sonal. And now, is anyone left? I think Shweta is left. Yeah. Let's give her a big clap first for all the effort she's putting in, and hats off to her dedication. And I'm so very proud of you, Shweta, that you are taking so much of efforts. Shweta, can you unmute yourself and turn on your camera so that you can, you're visible to everyone. Shweta, are you there? You can wish hi to everyone. Can you please turn on your camera? Shweta Bhavsar.
Doing a letter C sound. C sound story. A boy is giving dinner birthday party. He opened his baby's hand and some party game. Some party game. Then there is a puff on the candle and keep. Everyone tries to puff on the candle. Puff, puff, puff. Puff, puff, puff. Puff, puff, puff. Sound is puff, puff, puff. The pen to the puff, puff, puff. Puff, puff, puff. Can we tend to puff on the candle? Puff, puff, puff. Puff, puff, puff. Puff.
Okay, 1 minute is over. Now I would like Shweta, please unmute yourself and can you say hi to everyone?